Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important features of Java 8, which is functional interface. So with the name, we can understand that it is a type of interface. So an interface that contains only one abstract method is known as functional interface. So we already know that interface contains abstract methods. Okay, all the methods inside the interface are abstract methods. And what are abstract methods? A method that does not have any method body, only have the declaration, and any class which implements that particular interface need to provide the implementation for the abstract method that we already know. But from Java 8, we already seen in the previous videos, we have default and static methods inside a interface. So what about default and static methods in functional interface? So we understood that a functional interface is an interface that has only one abstract method, but there is no restrictions. You can have n number of default and static methods inside a functional interface. So there is no restriction on default and static methods. You can have any number of default and static methods inside a functional interface. Functional interface is additionally recognized as single abstract method interface. So they are also called as single abstract method interface because they have only one abstract method. In short, they are also known as SAM interface. And what does this SAM stand for? Single abstract method. So here we have one example of functional interface. So this is an interface. We can provide any name. This is my functional interface. And inside this interface, I have just one abstract method. Here we haven't provided abstract keyword. Why? Because all the interfaces method are by default abstract. This is a single method and this is an abstract method. So this is a SAM interface, which is functional interface. We can also make use of @functional interface annotation. @functional interface annotation is optional. You can make use of it or you can ignore it. But once you make use of it, it will ensure that only one abstract method is provided. If you try to provide another abstract method, it will give you an error. We will see in the practical implementation how to declare a functional interface. Before that, let's understand what are the common functional interfaces. So these are the 5 types of functional interfaces: consumer, supplier, function, predicate, by function. So we will learn all these type of functional interfaces in detail in upcoming videos. But now when you explain the functional interfaces, you should be able to provide the examples. So these are the type of functional interfaces. So this consumer functional interface takes a single input and returns no result. As the name suggests, it is used for consuming. So it takes a single input and returns no result. Supplier, it provides a result without any input. So it does not take any input, but it provides a result. Then we have a function. So function takes a single input and returns a result. So it will take an input and return a result. Predicate. So predicate will also take an input and returns a Boolean result. So that's the difference between function and predicate. Both will take input, both will provide a result, but predicate will only provide a Boolean result. Function can provide a result of any data type, right? Then we have by function. So similar to function, by function will take two inputs. Function is taking a one input, but by function will take two input and returns a result. That's similar to function, which will also return a result. So these are the common functional interfaces that are available in Java 8. So another question will be when to use which. So this we will see once we have the idea about all these 5 functional interfaces. Now that's the theory about the functional interfaces. Now in the next video we will see how to declare a functional interface and how to make use of it.